Sto-Rox. Today is Monday, December 5th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, and indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. Juniors and seniors, if you're interested in the after-school drone program, become a certified drone pilot, please see Ms. Harris and take it on the list. Seniors, please remember that your senior pictures for the yearbook are due December 12th. Students, please remember that you are not allowed to bring any open snacks or drinks. Open snacks and drinks will be thrown away at check-in if you bring them. The word of the day is bias, which is a prejudice for or against something. Thank you.